Good morning students and welcome to our Gyanjyoti online classes. And today in this video we will discuss the exercise of chapter number 17 of our English grammar book, perfect tenses, present perfect tense and past perfect tense. So open page number 114 and see the yellow colored box. It is written one question. Write the answers to these questions in complete sentence using the present perfect tense. Okay, so we will have to use the present perfect tense and we will write the answer of these questions. So first question is, how many books have you read during the last 2 months? So I have read 3 books during the last 2 months. It can be our answer. Okay, number 1, I have read 3 books during the last 2 months. Number 2, have you decided what you want to become when you grow up? I have decided to become an astronaut. I have decided to become a pilot when I grew up. Have you ever had a friend in need? Yes, I have had a friend in need. Have you ever lied to your parents? No, I have never lied to my parents. Number 5, have you ever done something you regretted later? Yes, I have once misbehaved with my parents and I have regretted it later, and I have regretted it later. Okay, so in this way you have to answer the question. The answers may be varied. Okay, you can use your own sentence also. Okay, then come to the next page 116, learning section. Complete this table. We have to complete this table. Okay. Okay, so here given microphone meat. Okay, present form of meat. The past form of meat is met. Okay, the past participle is also met. Okay, number 2, see. Past is saw. Past form is saw, and past participle is seen. Number 3, feel. Past form of feel is felt. Okay, and past participle is also felt. Number 4, the past participle is given bit. What is the present form of bit? That is bite, bit, and the past participle is bit. Number 5, okay, here the past participle form is given flown. Okay, so what is the past form of flown? Flew. And present form is fly. Number 6, its past form is given grew. What is the present form and past? It is the present form and past participle form of grew. It is grow. Okay, grow, grew, grown. Okay. Number 7. Here, fought is the past participle. Okay, what is the past of fought? There is also fought, and present form is fight. Present form is fight. Okay. Present form meet, met, see, saw, seen, feel, felt, bite, beat, fly, flew, flown, grow, grew, grown, fight, out. Buy. What is the past form buy? Bought. Okay. Bought. Okay. And the past participle is also bought. Number 9, build. The past form is built. Participle is also built. Number 10, stood. The present form of stood is stand, and the past participle of stood is stood. Okay, so in this way we have to note it down in the table. Okay, then come to practice section. Fill in the blanks with the present perfect forms of the verbs given in the bracket. Here we will fill up the blanks with present perfect form of the verbs. Okay, the sponge has absorbed. The sponge has absorbed all ink from the bottle. Number 2, Rekha has adjusted. Rekha has adjusted to live in the new locality. They have argued. They have argued that building the dam will not affect the tribals. I have calculated the risk of traveling without money. The school has challenged. The school has challenged for us for a match once again. Mamta has confused. She tore the pages. Mamta has confused. She tore the pages. Vidya has dazzled everyone with her brilliant performance. The cold drinks has lost its fizz. Number 9. The farmers have already dug a well in 2 places, but they haven't found any water. The farmers have dug a well in 2 places, but they haven't found any water. We have expanded our business to 16 countries. We have expanded our business to 16 countries. Number B, complete these sentences with the past perfect tense of the verbs given in the box. Okay, so here in the yellow colored box some words are given. We have to fill up the blanks using those verbs with past perfect tense. Number 1, Anita was not able to watch the film because she had not booked the tickets in advance. The shield was built before the aliens had attacked the colony. By the time the hive was burnt, the bees had stung the bear. When the king arrived, the queen had already dethroned him. I did not complain because I had already forgiven his mischief. Number 6, Mowgli had never seen a village before. Number 7, even before she received her medical degree, she had cured many patients. The detective noticed that the suspect had replaced the lock. Her brother was upset because she had wanted the room under the attic. By last week we dashed a strong bond with the newcomers. By last week we had formed a strong bond with the newcomers. Okay, so in this way you have to use the past perfect tense and fill up the blanks by using the verbs. Okay, then number C, complete this paragraph using the present perfect forms of the verbs in the brackets. Here we will use the present perfect form of the verb. So see here, we have to complete this paragraph by using the present perfect form. I am so excited, the sports teacher has selected us to make announcement during the sports day. We want to do well, so we have already started. Preparing. Sakshi has collected the list of participants from all house captains. Minu has cross-checked twice the events everybody is participating. I have spoken to the electrical department about the microphones. Have spoken the electrical department about the microphones. They have promised to set them up for us an hour in advance. I have also ensured that we get the results from the ground as soon as they are declared. We still have not received information on the sequence of events during the day, but there will be a welcome speech, and Kavita Nair has volunteered to do it. We are not sure if the principal has decided who the chief guest will be. Okay, but we have jotted down a few suggestions from our side. We have jotted down a few suggestions from our side. I think we have done everything we can do to be ready and do our best. Okay, then come to number D. You are a Martian. You have received an emergency call from humans to rescue them. You record what you see when you arrive. On your return, you write the report in the past perfect tense. Okay, we have to write the report in the past perfect tense. Okay. So see, we have to change this report in past perfect tense. So this is what we have. I have changed into past perfect tense. See, as we arrived on Earth, we saw human beings had destroyed their planet. They had dug up the earth and had extracted all oil and minerals. In the process, they had not only polluted the air but had also destroyed forests. As a result, their land had become barren and no food had grown on it for years. The weather patterns had changed. The rainy season had shortened and many areas had become totally dry. Due to lack of rains, the rivers had dried up. Okay. Okay, so see, the rising heat had melted the ice caps and the sea level had risen. Many islands had nearly disappeared because of floods. Okay, so this way we have to change the report in the past perfect tense. Okay. See page number 119, learning section. These sentences are in simple present or simple past tense. Okay, so here 15 sentences are given and these sentences are in simple present tense or simple past tense. And here we will have to rewrite this sentence into present perfect tense and past perfect tense. Okay, so let's do. Now question number one. The carpenter repaired the broken window. Okay, so we have to convert this sentence into present perfect tense and past perfect tense. The carpenter has repaired the broken window. So this is in your present perfect, present perfect. Okay, the carpenter had repaired the broken window. So this is in your past perfect. Okay, so PR represent your present perfect. Okay, P represent your past perfect. Okay, number 2, the society members report matters to the authority. The society members have reported matters to the authority, this is in your present perfect. Okay, present perfect, let it be present perfect. Okay, the society members had reported matters to the authority. So this is in your past perfect. Okay, so this is in your present perfect and this one is in your past perfect. Okay, the king gave up attacking other kingdoms. The king has given up attacking other kingdoms. So this is in your present perfect, and in the past perfect, the king had given up attacking other kingdoms. This is in your past perfect. Then come to number 4. The cook prepared delicious food for us. So in case in present we will write present perfect. The cook has prepared delicious food for us. This is in your present perfect. So in past perfect, the cook had prepared delicious food for us. It is in your past perfect. Okay, the cook has prepared delicious food for us is in your present perfect tense. The cook had prepared delicious food for us is in past perfect tense. see here, the secret service agents have mistaken us for Martians. It is in present perfect. The secret service agents had mistaken us for Martians. It is in past perfect. Number 6, Simi has read a lot of travel books. It is in present perfect. Simi had read a lot of travel books. It is in past perfect. Mother has scolded me for not cleaning up my room. It is in present perfect. Mother had scolded me for not cleaning up my room. It is in past perfect. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे एक सिंपल चीज तुमको क्या करना है, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में हैव लगाते हैं और हैज और हैव लगाते हैं, ठीक है, और पास्ट परफेक्ट में हम हैड का यूज करते हैं, ठीक है। तो यहाँ क्या है, सिंपली हैव की जगह हैड लगाएंगे, किसमें, पास्ट परफेक्ट में। समझ आ गया, हैव की जगह क्या यूज करेंगे, हैड, या फिर अगर यहाँ पे हैज रहता तो क्या यहाँ पे भी हैड का ही यूज करते। ओके, सो इन केस इन प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट वी यूज हैज और हैव, व्हाइल इन पास्ट परफेक्ट वी यूज हैड। Here, the cricketer has shocked everyone by scoring a century. Present perfect. The cricketer had shocked everyone by scoring a century. Past perfect. My mother has always worn a sari. Present perfect. My mother had always worn a sari. Past perfect. The Malhotras have lived in Kolkata. It is in present perfect tense. The Malhotras had lived in Kolkata. It is in the past perfect tense. The aeroplane has landed at Mumbai airport. It is in present perfect. The aeroplane had landed at Mumbai airport, past perfect. We have heard the sound of sparrows chirp all day long. Present perfect. We had heard the sound of sparrows chirp all day long. It is in past perfect. Mickey has rested after his afternoon meal. It is in present perfect. Mickey had rested after his afternoon meal. It is in past perfect. Okay, so similarly we will do the rest two numbers. So see here, the students have found physics easy. Is in present perfect. The students had found physics easy is in past perfect tense. Priti has received permission to conduct her research. Present perfect. Priti had received permission to conduct her research. It is in past perfect tense. Okay. So next we will do the next number, that is practice section. Okay. Okay. So see practice section. Navya loves to bake. Here is how she does it. Rewrite the paragraph in present perfect and then again in past perfect tense by changing the highlighted verbs. Okay, so here are some highlighted words given in the book, and here you have to change that highlighted words into present perfect tense and past perfect tense. Okay, so Navya has preheated. Navya has preheated the oven to 350 degrees. She has mixed flour, baking soda, cardamom, cinnamon and a pinch of salt in a large bowl. In another bowl, she has beaten butter, honey and brown sugar until the mixture has turned light and fluffy. In this, she has carefully put eggs on at a time. She has whisked the mixture until the eggs combine. She has then added the flour and has ran and has ran the mixture on slow speed till all ingredients have combined. Then she has poured a little apple sauce in it. Next, she has coated. Okay, she has poured. She has poured. Okay, and next she has coated. She has coated a non-stick pan with cooking spray. She has spooned. She has spooned the batter into the pan and has smoothened the top. She has baked it for 50 minutes. She has baked it for 50 minutes. She has dusted. Okay, so I am writing here. Okay, so she has dusted. Okay, she has dusted. She has dusted it with confectioner's sugar before serving. So in this way we have to change the highlighted words in present perfect tense. Similarly, in the past perfect tense you have to use the verb had. ठीक है ना, सभी में क्या है, हेड लगा के फिर से दोबारा क्या उसी को लिखना है. ठीक है, तो सभी में क्या है, हेड लगा देते हैं. इन पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस, in past perfect tense we can use had. पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस में क्या होगा, नाविया had preheated the oven to 350 degrees Celsius. She had mixed flour, baking soda, cardamom, cinnamon and a pinch of salt in a large bowl. In another bowl she had beaten, had turned, had put, she had fixed, had added, had run, had combined, had poured, she has coated, had spooned, she had smoothed, she had baked it for 50 minutes, and she had dusted. She had dusted it with confectioner sugar before evening. So in this way, you have to change the present perfect tense into past perfect by adding or by changing the verb has or had to had, and we read this paragraph in. Okay, you have to rewrite this paragraph. Okay, so this is what we have completed our topic number 17, that is perfect tense, present perfect and past perfect tense. Okay, so in the next class we will discuss the exercise of chapter number 18, transformation of sentence. So hope you have understood it properly. So enjoy all the videos. Thank you and have a nice day. Stay home and stay safe.